make fun of me if I started crying. But anyway, I'm a crier, you know. But
that's no problem. I was a crier too. I saw it weed last night.
But see, I don't cry over bucks though. But anyway, unless it's dollar signs or something. Anyway, we seriously, we got a note yesterday. A note from a 92-year-old widow. Who says, you know what? She says, I'm on fixed income. I really don't have much money. But I just want to help, you know, to help those who are less fortunate. And she sent us a donation of $2. And I'm going, wow. You know, I go, that is awesome. You know, it's like you want to send it back with a check. I mean, you know, to help. But it's like the widow's mite, you know. And I know, Rick and Bubba, this has been a challenging year here, not just in Alabama, but many places with the devastating storms and tornadoes and all of that. So I understand a lot of people are kind of giving fatigue. You know, they've given because you know we have a lot of caring people, not only in Alabama but in many places where Rick and Bubba's aired, and a lot of caring, compassionate people there. And so they've given and they've given. And so you know, my word of advice and encouragement is, look. Number one, you know, you can't give what you don't have, okay? And if it's given out, it's given out, you know, so don't feel bad about that. Thank you for what you've already done and feel good about that, because God is going to take it and bless it. But also, don't feel bad if you only have a little bit to give. You know, God will take that widow's, that $2, you know. It's just amazing. You know, and then the $1.95s that come in to sponsor, or whatever, as you mentioned, you know, the amount. We're grateful for all. You know why? Because it's not our money; it's God's money.
That's right.
You know,